In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize GoHighLevel Calendar. Start by signing in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. In the left-hand sidebar, open Calendars. Then go into Calendar Settings. You'll see all existing calendars for this location. Select the one you want to customize so your edits apply only to that booking flow. Click the pencil icon to edit. Now move into Advanced Settings. This section gives you finer control, letting the calendar match your brand rather than the default look. Open Widget Appearance. The widget is the embedded calendar people see on your website, funnel, or landing page. Begin with the primary settings. These set the overall visual style for accents and interactive elements. Choose a primary color that reflects your brand. If you know your exact hex value, paste it for a perfect match. Prioritize contrast so text and buttons remain readable for everyone. Next, pick a background color. This is the canvas behind the scheduler. On light pages, a soft neutral prevents glare. On dark pages, choose a tone that keeps form labels and times crisp. Preview on both desktop and mobile to be sure the colors stay clear on smaller screens. If you need more control, you can insert custom code. This is ideal for CSS refinements. The standard controls don't cover, like subtle typography or spacing tweaks. Keep any snippets small, avoid rules that target unrelated elements on the page, and add a brief comment so future updates are easier. When your selections look good, click Preview Widget. Use this live preview to check states such as hover, selected dates, and disabled times, and verify that links and buttons are legible against your background. When everything is dialed in, save your changes using the button in the top right corner. Changes aren't applied until you save, so this final click is essential, especially if you've adjusted brand colors or added custom code. That's the full process. Open your sub-account, head to Calendars, enter Calendar Settings, pick the right calendar, edit it, go to Advanced Settings, fine-tune widget appearance, set your primary and background colors, add custom code if needed, preview, and then save. With these adjustments, your GoHighLevel calendar will feel on-brand, polished, and easier for prospects and clients to use from the first click.